na omai asema obi say me de pa because as na obi di obi echi na we say unya botaye na sometimes nya wo nko a interest who belong to a group who had the larger interest you might have your personal interest but so we had the larger interest next such a personal interest that you must follow and yes I know very selfish mpenimfo a makofa eye forms yina no because NPP muno so ba now per the human resource in terms of leadership obetumi align nipa be 100 up ubenya bi ya o man say ma pen say twitwa bi din free ma very difficult
okay
because nipa 10 o ma pick nomination forms o man say ma pen say twa 3 kura free mu a e be ya din ma fa is as obi a se fata say odi party danim enso say the professors nyina kogu ba bi na o man yes ye enko hwem ni enyi de o ya ade pa no e de ya benya ba ko
no correct
in spite of the fact say you war party penimfo fine brains nice personalities
SOMPA
gentlemen o ma ko pick forms no e de ya no a ibenya ba ko ye fin say de ne ko akon na eyiyi na political party bias no interest and they say obey ni political power
that's right
and until said ye we ye coach would they play as a field who go work out final or say you choose the best out of the rest na do makono party bia wo elections wo benya eniba ne bebrebe ya mo be pese ko mbe die ni mo but wo hwem no wagidi wo fin say ebeboa eno no nya individual bi na wo kwotena se aka se me we na mepe na emum no utie die amanfo ne ka die o party ba ne ka no na wa hwe na okodi akire eno nti se wo te se nipa bebrebe die ewura Bawumia chi se yemba ne me president na che se eye eniema papa bi no mo hu no ti no mo de ne ba obi enu a okọ ekon na odi obi a ofin se me de ne bi me din kugu na me de ne ko NPP apc break the 8 tinasia mpenibo nya hwemu nipa e betini break 8 eye Dr. Bawumia
okay
enu nti na emu bi edi na chi na obi busa se die nti na mo fun nsem betimi de na break 8 ma set a number of cards yeah me feel say ye kan nyina abomwa do individuals no mo no and the second member boss wo be hu bi wo bi no but saa ne man sia ni nyina no e hye nipa ba ko
okay
Dr. Bawumia and the card no ba ko the tribal card ye were the religious card ye were intellectual card ye were the social card and also the moral card ye were the economic card and the global card. These 6 cards
tribal card
yes
okay I'm interested
yes into your copy the tribal card NPP party na dawo say ya SOMPA your main opponent no omo place a card no from time immemorial from 92 omo play card na ba NPP there onya kan ni a yemfiu edi enche bia what say Ramahama ko gina ba bi ko kasa say Bawumia ho ye ne sere na NPP for the be use no
ma dala show say pam
yes on better na chene na even was say omo heada pick a certain tribe but the tribes no Ghana endorse but omo pick nordness no that ethnic group omo heada pick omo say omo na NPP for Pomasem but uhwemu susu a omaka manato nkrofo bi sutrim even NPP for no bi kra no omaka manato ebinum trim say that is it, that is the case enti party ni wo asodie say omo dispel that
they should demystify that
yes and was say we free ho and this is the time baby akudru no yira Bawumia ye fa the tribal card na this one for so they say my MPP and no say man go 40
okay
because of my more the elections a year more follow the trend of our elections no munim say the ensem city say na NPP ahoden tie
it was 3
months ho na since the inception of Bawumia and the introduction of Bawumia into our politics the NPP the mainstream politics say na is tie wo ho say because bibia kire was say am no ka say seats na one no for no NPP na kuta kese
16
yes
as against 15
yes
northern region
that is it And who said in a Bawumia Basin, who said no. Well, consistently from 2008 coming,
SOMPA FM.
Bawumia ba system. Ya about 2012, you improve ye. Ya about 2016, you improve. Ya about 2020, Almighty, yes I improve. With the influence of Bawumia. Now, I could say party no. The NDC for Kano. Ubi say, and yet the NDC for Kana Mubiti. What a catch now. Your main political opponent. Yes, some are yet can be no Muyano. Almost on some of Mokabis. Yes, Yano.
No correct.
Two doing as NDC for us at the Yan Tosa. Ubi say NDC for the ABE candidate Yamamo. The NDC say, Mom first inform you know, and you didn't mock of Bawumiana. Bawumia, yes, Remunike. Oh, yes, Remunia, there is republic no one people. But Srimunia or Waho Brassier. Srimunia or Woodim dear. Srimunia or Wussian Huno. Srimunia, if you are self and name you be any mono. Yes, Srimunia Canadian. And Bawumia said, and Canadia or the quarters, oh, yes, Srimunia, Guardia, and any can be one people. But on my people, manner, ya him. Now, ya could level be say. Now, on the three pillars, party you found it, you know. This is a Akan and the North. The two Akans and one Nordna. That is Dankwa Buzia.
Dwomor tradition.
Okay. Inti any move on near me, sir. Mienu Abidi anymore. But okay, almost I didn't go have Dombo Buzia. No, we are not talking about a family.
We're talking about a tradition.
A tradition. Yeah, we believe there's a certain ethnic group, they had one representation. And it say, Obi free that group no ba. Obi every group no more baby to me represent that
tradition.
That tradition.
Okay.
And if you say the time is now, say we have got a fine personality, a fine
SOMPA
brain,
FM.
well-known personality. Yeah, intellectually good. Were endeared home to global acclamation. And this is Bawumia. And you know,
so on the basis of the tribal card, you think he fits?
That is it. And he even represents the minority group.
Okay.
Indian people. The sense of ownership. Sense of ownership. See a can.
Say yes, you can't.
Yes, you can't be. Bawumia ne betimi agina ho. Say Bawumia bibi de Bawumia kona se pese amanfo fin say NPP obi ade dia. Then Bawumia na was the call.
So let's move from the tribal. What's the next card?
On my call the next card here. Then we look at the religious card.
Okay.
Ghana, Upu, two major religious groups. But first of all, no, Ghana never in the history of this country. In California, Christopher Toko Ghana.
You didn't see that.
Into be a walk can ask them, Muku Yikremuni by and Twaba Mano. No, only basis be a go for neck kind of walk be. Was a go to me aside to say, I feel we and Cremophobia Christopher Wunyan Toka. And if you some of Cremuni by then you have a point. But I might be brave. For example, Senegal, a Muslim country, a Christian country.
Muslim.
It's a Muslim country, yeah. But the other president, so a Christian. As in Nigeria, they are mixed. But you see, it's a honor Christian, ba na Muslim, ba and all that. Ghana, baby, it is not about ubi religion. No. Ube to me, akoye pope. Ghana ni awe pope. Say, enkofo ni nyiwo ntuma ya nyiwo ntum. Onchire se ube to me ya, yemfa akonya ne mawo.
So far, so more media sunyina Christopher.
That is it. And you know, and no, what makes it so different? Say, you drew stage two groups. We more dear. Sakoba senka man for say okay. You try Christopher no I am fan Cremopoli be so abone e wo hone there.
Okay.
And now abada e kotoro. You look at a lot of issues. Now what present you candidate. Enti say you crowd say ya ho den na wo form wo the Muslim party. Na say confirm Muslim ba. He say person ya ho den kosoro. Political party bi aso person na ho den kosoro. Be bia na ho den no person na ho den kosoro. And you were Bawumia, obedi president, and Amuntu wotu, yeah, both the Christian and the Islamic side, you know, Watimia try as one will be a juma. And it is known will be any gun and Ibianim. Say on 31st night, I think the last year. Say Oba Kumasi.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, I would obey 6. A Muslim, a devout Muslim. But Okwa, yet me man a Bible verse man ready. Okuti Bible. Come in Semina.
On your fanatic.
Tabi, a he granny busy. And he busy will be as here. Say your vice president, you or your grandmother, no sorry, I would never sorry them when you are software cotton. Say, a could did the tune said it, a dinko more far, Jane. This is the man.
So he's changing he's bringing a paradigm shift.
That is it. Did it one year man and then go for beginners so and now we are Cremonian got 12 man away Christo need and any hope you maybe a gun head drone, maybe we are said drone. Sans some chum. 80 ye here leader obetimia unite
the two sects.
The two sects, no. And that is Bawumia. And this is for the Muniano says so much. You got to make the some of the elections. And people in Kwan actually say it's me the Cremoni Christo ni Kabum di Bumai.
Okay.
It is a dream maybe not say Christo need to me dear anymore. I didn't need dream maybe a Cremoni to me anymore.
Okay.
If you see Bawumia, or dear anymore, or send off at or your Cremoni be a keke. You mun Cremoni or didn't Kambumunia some dear a bat of mine. It's a move from the religious cardinal of mine. You caught the intellectual card.
Okay.
Bawumia. Ghana ha. Maybe a politician. What me I India no ho. Say the general passo. Or no Timmy Casa me and Casa ma set a platform mamma. Maybe chair Ghana for Jimmy Nim. But more contesting in that. Maybe I hope I can't Bawumia. Over the years, from 2009 to now, over the years, one person among the contestants, yeah, what's me a Gina Simpie so actually said you see boom mine policies I did boom my what me actually of faster the among
93.1
sector by sector. Obie Biemuma Ghana for Tias ye, who's a pa a dear way you see I give you a deal you see a Bawumia Quanaches I don't. And when it's a Caribbean, I follow Ghana politics from 2008.
SOMPA FM.
So how did it begin? What the candidates in a beginning? Now, Buzan said,
SOMPA FM.
Say, yeah, the neighbor say, boom, my noir. Ghana for your enemies waiting here.
93.1
liar, Ubenya by 98 or Modomon Sabetre Europe. So intellectually, he is good, par excellence. And until say a copy will be a or deal mine him. I may have Ghana for your enemies so own him the boom my nobody vice president or showcase
SOMPA FM.
Baby, yeah, what I dear no one young sampa. You will name D4 to say Bawumia, Canada, Kufuado, a deep boom mine. Or far baby to say of my imports, no. The paperless system. Say, oh, share GR for report on the buyer, I think 2019. On which there is a revenue, no. Now quadruple. A report will because of that paperless system. I hear times 4. He goes now go to boys won't go on. Oh, my best go in my baby. I bet you a scapa and go for a bed any musky bejono.
Nene as a son.
A swati.
Okay.
To because I'm free work around when you're not for.
Okay.
But a swati. The first emphasis now a 50% of the revenue for our 10%. At me at the do be 10%. Because my truth was a better catches or quasi, but that's what.
Okay.
And that is leadership. So when you will be a warning, dear say, for Bisa Amra, Yama. My fighting corruption, and yet Tinga will be a disgantion into moon. Where Mampani, that's a whole star, and say, Ubisika, mention at my only said to me. So will be beginner, simply as a catcher and Bedi Mampani will be this guy and bet my oboa, only said to me. I am ready, dear woman. Separation of powers. Parliament will do more judiciary on it, the executive on it, it may a Mampani, will be a discovered, Miss Mochirin Cotum. Machiavelli, ne, idia me more time, no. Saben and I, you hear that kind of leadership, so will be a this guy, young question, but this time, which will be a was a cockot. Now, him, Uncle Dr. Upuni, say a dab on taste with discovery, but say, court. I don't know, I don't get in question too. Only said to me, no, a court was said to me. So you need a leader or this money big work on systems. Or build the systems in a year. Because system that you are not chill. Okobro ni kromwa. Aya systems na chem krofo. Wa kura say the system na si a chill. Obeba bon tin say adwuma kura wo nya bio. But the HANA systems no weak. We need obia obeba be di mampani through digitalization. Waba ya be system ya yes systems ni ye. So obi report to honom. Make say paperless no. Ade no yes say obi kutua sika bia no akutua never hon receipt bra. Electronic system. E do be say system no was say nipa kora ya bo ahye so ontua 40,000. The system na cheno no. 40,000 na betua. The obeje ne nchen ne de entimi nkoso. But first na nka 40,000 obi beji mbe 30,000 edi. Na nka 10,000 yakọ government one. And 40,000 nyina beko. Na wo nkitinkiti bi wonchen wakoje. So intellectually I think that Bawumia stands tall.
Okay.
Amongst the candidates are more urban. Now you are called the social card. And I say the moral card. My assembly members elections na nche bedo. This was assembly elections no. And it is who te swami. Na say who person we assembly member for a certain electoral area in Swami. Ufri honum e hona oti. O sorry a obi akoko nam ho anu ache no obunukum. Obi aponche da ho wache no watwa ne ti. Nkrofo matoto fefe wa o fefe wo mo mpotamu honum. O sorry a nkrofo yire na odi omachi. It is a wudi nkrofo yire chi a. E wo honum obi anim sa akowe na brabo nye. Na say eduru si abie nominations a obetumi akopeke form. Odimi nkopeke.
Obi dia koduro be wakofa.
But okofa nkofo besere no. Ofa akwa we no akofa bi no. Eni kwa asamo so because ye tikro we say wo chiche nkrofo mponche, chiche nkrofo nkokọ, oni nkrofo yire na deda, nkrofo ma ofefe wo mo. And it is socially na morally no. You will not be accepted. You Bawumia. NDC for. You know that you are my moon. See, Bawumia who wants some boni be say, well, do my sika, why ye deuce basava sabia. Omna de Babo. Said your muya be a Bawumia tatoro. Come on, Baba. But over the years, not a single incident.
Two fees say what Jaria man who fee war. A ba pepe ye ne hunidie.
That is it.
So what didn't huni.
Very good. And yeah, is how.
Jibia se kabwe ba say. Ebi onyanye flag bearer ntina bia bibim pie you.
O my agrobe so Ibrahim.
To be said about this time no ka. The opponents crowd bibia be good hufi.
O ma se that develop communication system NDC for. Say mo call radio so mo call TV so assembly am kan bia mo Bawumia dinkan.
Really?
NDC for the o my no. Dominic Sadio so takrache. What is our body about to even a Kufu the president, money said, Bawumia. We've said, this is the man, this is the gem. You must go for the gem. It is here Bawumia said, who wants someone? Can this be one so he is unblemished, clean.
A damning can't be asked. You say he's spotless?
Spotless. Because, say, oh, hey, na hobrasie. Yempa high in Tuncha, na yempa hobrasiemra. Omai ebinsi omai muda say your political leader as high as a vice president na oba down to earth say okochia wo hene bia wotumi bunku todwe e wo nani nu achia no omai won za picture bi da this is independence won bi da say vice president no matter ohenkro a wo ye onye hu se wo ye omai hene nkwa no bo ni zo be chia obekoto waso say bunku todwe oni ma chia. And yet easy. 21st century Imo. So when you have a man down to earth, as humble as Bawumia, becoming your president. And no know where I'm say, oh, Basa or me. Uchi nko be somewhere. Munyini say, oh yes, I know be man beni obey me dodo. Midika kai. Say, o man benia or share. Eno. Emra. Ene betimi am ayemre dinti emra betimi am ayemre ni say enema bebrebe a wo medi mampani a wo fin say wo betimi aye mo nkwache no akasa atia me monye ni sei obedi mambania obehu se emrantia wodimi se wokra oni tumi
ye nyina ye tie sompa
eno ti se obi star ne se ebedi mambani na oba adwuma na oye late a medical frɛ waka kire wo se beyi wadi no Bawumia ye mambani a the system no ne beyi wadi you want be frɛ so wayi wadi system no ma kwa se ye late system no ma kwa se bokro no it is a wunya mambani na wotimi put two systems in place I ma kwa se bokro no a amai e dey na wo hia because who could do almighty US of A president no Joe Biden so you're very soft but and not just you're weak president because in America the institutions are working the systems are working and if you are building systems go and you need somebody to build the systems for you your leader what that commitment
and you
to
think
build
the vice president can build that system?
Yes, because of my work the various sectors baby are not if you say chrono bowo pa bebrebe no imports and harbors birth and death registry
Lands,
the DVLA the insurance companies baby ani if you say corruption wo pa you Bawumia buy no watimi ahwa ma o man utimi hu say eniema asan ho through digitalization.
You mentioned digitalization.
Yeah.
This digitalization, I bet a sing song. The opposition says, "We're Johnny free economy home." To see how Bawumia digitalization. All Bawo say, obey economy ni. The vice president says he will stabilize the dollar. If the figures and everything, so try, the foreign exchange will expose you.
Yeah.
If your data is wrong, so Guma, foreign exchange, the dollar skyrocketed. Now, thank God, it's in the neighborhood of 11.
Yeah.
IMF. So Omufi said the vice president is running away from somehow no any shadows. And now I confirm BB Abeshaho now de numum. Oh, Nisia insurance, uko insurance, as you're saying, uko a year. National insurance, with me now fear through digitalization, with me for to me bank. They say a friend said, bank issues, Abbas see out to me, it's not the comfort of your home. No, I win now. Almost in yan one or kai.
Oh my god.
2 years no say.
Oh my god. And only the economic card and coming back.
Yo, young Kohai.
Any other man this for sometimes you never have a cake ideas. Say ideas near a cake. You get to see, say, and confident things and be say now globally, or maybe a serious Biana, and running a digital economy. My say Okwajuma, na say was say Ukudru Honum Bay say 7 o'clock. Not traffic in tea. Ukudu Naya. And affect the economy nana. Say
man hours lost.
Yes, it affect the economy. And when it is a system biba. Na say at the comfort of your home no. Naka was say uku queue a war health insurance office. Say we renew health insurance card
for days.
For days, then go forward. There will be glad to walk to her. No, my never that won't pass over our phone. Mobile money interoperability.
Yeah.
Ultimately renew health insurance. Our phone, sir. It you mean says Naka was say me come room Ecuador. It did be 3 days and I can walk renew my card. So 3 days when you come room go do ya.
So the 1 minute tire were you?
Yes, maybe 1 minute tire. In the about 72 hours. No, maybe more 1 minute tire. Hours na can. Meeting van Yajuma and improve economy nana. And don't you say or cast already the digital economy? That is an example. Oh my say on digital economy say and I'll kick us answer no. Because the revenue shortfalls, birth and deaths. Oh his sika na a quo a formula in quo for fan qua. na go into corruption. Now be head ne esia. Go to the passport office. Goro boys, and when say ne bi ni ho, but that's what. And then na ka first no open forms like say wo di go see obi sikura na kope bi abrel. Obi betimi akọ passport office also compare form ato keke. Betimi akọ saa continuously 1 week na enroll no so. Say obi nya bi. Obi kura ko hwese the form no submit ye no ye di hu dwuma na. But in the system no through your Bawumia system ni is so robust to the extent say o person will apply for passport obetimi ada one pass through that link wa apply online ye be ma with date ya be wa ko twa picture or passport office now online my man hours na ka be use no say what so you are running a digital economy abua system no at the GRA e kwa mfa so gigi omusika market tolls and all that. When you say necessary, and it's carry yetimi utua ne amount ticket. Utua, utimi ko iche se kutua ne hanam. Never receipt bra. Ampa enko fu utua. But first na ke so man crofo so mo ko gigi sesika no. Say na net here. And the revenues acquire afa so a multiple. Was system no. Utimi nyi Bawumia mfim. The person have was America say GRA for ankasa babo ntibe karacheche omu revenue no quadruple no. It's not helping the economy. ECG Electricity Company of Ghana o man say utimi tua wo be wo fon so. E defense na go for ti ba bi na omo gigi ska no. Obi timi gigi ska na ade be se be ko so di ska da dwane. O de atukwai. Ene ho asem to say. O hwe sika abai ni nyaaye sa ECG for report on the buy from 700 million Ghana cedis to 1.5 billion Ghana cedis within the short time omo shase say omo de sa system no ye adwuma no so times 2 and aba so we are running a digital economy and this will be in ase cumulatively on mine the cedi dollar depreciation 2012 to 2013 to 2016, cumulatively under NDC, it depreciated by 72%. Even in the midst of COVID-19, Russia-Ukraine war, all kind of this was on. Me say you one crop you need to Ghana say omo na NDC vote omo shows na NDC vote. Na sa go vote omo say omo kan as omo ntiwi ase. Oman say NDC ni say on tiase say adia na ye turn 1 cedi in 2013 and at 2016 and then abedu 5 cedis ah. No obusa ne say oko almighty US of A adia na ye turn $1 ewo US no. Ubetumi aka kire me say 2023 it has turn $1.
That's it.
Oman say ye take crude oil so ewo international market near dey aba $1 per barrel. Ufin say Ghana hanum affect ye. Ebe affect ye. Positively, ebe affect ye. Because say we buy na kokoton $100 a barrel. That's abedu $1. Obedura, he will be forced to reduce the price. And until ye turn 10 cedis and 20 cedis a liter. Or call ya aba $1 no. Or the beba e be a 1 cedi a liter.
Onya revenue no.
So in the same vein, e was say ujitum say sa buy ni kodu na ye $1 and e yatum wo ha kodu $200 a barrel. Obeduru hanom a oman enya de say abai ni betimi aka say me koton $200 on the international market in the media bagana me de beje $1. Obi anidwa emoka. Obi anidwa moka. Because ye timemufo no kra no ye wo no. Se me toma dia. Emfa ne say me kuani a me dua buro ena ye wo obi nso a ototo buro me kuani a me dua buro no ma ye buro 100 acres ma nya $100 me metimi aka say me bag bi a me ton no 100 cedis obi antimi nchemi ntum me na madom afu me ton me bag 100 cedis e bia na abontin ton 500 cedis ba me na madom afu na me say me ton 100 cedis obi antimi nchemi ntum but me a me toto buro no ya makoto a buro one bag 500 cedis no mean cotton 100 cedis. So mean cotton 100 cedis because me this kind of cotton In demand to Muhammad only be at 520 cities and at 550 cities. And on the international market, you know, so Kofa dear or Honomwa. Now I can find $100. Yeah, only Meton Ghana had the same $100. Heady out the Cacrabetus. Said the man called retail shop, got to never be good provision shops no more, or more de Cacratos. And yes, had a tea over here. And globally, say economy is say globally. Russia-Ukraine war. And this near Okika's answer. Now Russia-Ukraine war, Emma, you know. Now when you say we see Tangwa, even called Germany, called Netherlands. You wish you have 4 more honour. Only more Kasa, but catch us. Yeah, more quite grandma, and one on 2 bottles. A bra into quite a chassis. Wheat flour. Yeah, more quite my own top more than 2 sacks. I brand to quite a chassis because you won't control the system. And into your mind, say what you now won't take global economy as say. And now better say I say Ghana must be an island on top of the sea. Yes, it be because we are safe and baby and because it be Ghana. I know said there will be domestic challenges and then maybe we was out to but there are certain things our mind you cannot do away with them. And you're global. And until Dr. Bawumia onyoning free the economic aspect no. Adia wo ye bia no eba be boosted the economy. And yema medical bobo so no. Ni nyina ba be boosted the economy.
Okay,